Traveling to Bali is one of the best things you can do around the world. The stunning scenery and beautiful beaches of Bali are what make the island so popular. Experience a luxurious vacation at one of the world's most prestigious destinations. Here are the 9 fun things you must do on your trip to Bali in 2022. Number 9. Visit the beautiful Hindu temple, Pura, Tanah. This is a beautiful Hindu temple on the island of Bali called Pura, Tanah, which was built in the 16th century. This temple, located in the coastal area of Buraben countryside, Kediri sub-district, Tabanan Regency, is one of the most photographed on the island. There are many reasons to go. It is an experience of a lifetime to visit Pura, Tanah. Through it, you would have a chance to look at spirituality and divinity in their purest forms. In addition, Pura, Tanah is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Indonesia because of the incredible scenery, the impressive architecture, and the serenity of the area. Don't know what to do? The trails are a great place to take long, quiet walks. Following that, you can meditate and practice yoga to experience a deeper connection to nature. Don't forget to take lots of pictures to remember this fun time. Number 8. Go on a hike to the top of Mount Batur. Climbing to the top of an active volcano sounds like a fun thing to do in Bali if you're looking for heart-pumping activities. In the central highlands of Bali, in the Kintamani district, lies the sacred Mount Batur. It is an hour's drive from the town of Ubud, where there is an impressive volcano at a height of 1,700 meters. This hike doesn't take too much time, and it's not too difficult either, so nearly anyone can carry out the hike. Upon reaching the top of the mountain, you will feel a sense of accomplishment. Your blood pressure will rise from the 3-hour hike, and it will be quiet and tranquil. Just a quick note, it does come with a 3 a.m. start to catch sunrise. For those of you who enjoy hiking and stunning views, this is a must. From the top of the volcano, the sunrise will give you an impressive view of Bali. It will also be a memory you will treasure forever. In addition to experiencing an unforgettable experience at a low cost, you will also be accompanied by a friendly guide during the hike up the mountain. Number 7. Shopping in Seminyak. If you're looking for fashionable clothes, then shopping in Seminyak is for you. Shops and boutiques are found in Seminyak Square, located in the Badung Regency, Bali, Indonesia. Seminyak is known for its chic clothing as well as fabulous swimwear, a must-see for tourists visiting Bali. Fashion lovers come here primarily for the fabulous swimwear, especially the bold choices in fashion. Shoppers in Seminyak can choose from a wide variety of swimwear and dresses, ranging from elegant silk playsuits to fashion-forward boho maxi dresses, as well as everything fabulous in between. Don't know why you should go? If you want souvenirs and trophies after you visit all of Bali's best attractions, Seminyak Square is the place to go. When visiting the square, be sure to take advantage of the best deals and great quality. Number 6. Forest of the Monkeys in Ubud. Probably dating back to the 14th century, the Ubud Monkey Forest Temple contains artifacts from before Indonesia became a country. A visit to the astonishing sacred monkey forest of Padang Tegal, Mendala Suki Wanarawana, will show you how this natural forest is home to many Balinese long-tailed monkeys, commonly known as MACACA fascicularis. It is also one of the top things to do in Bali and something you should not miss out when visiting this top spot. The benefits of going are unforgettable. Monkeys can be seen in the wild under a safe environment for both visitors and the animals of the Ubud Monkey Forest. There are also tourists from all over Bali who come here to watch the monkeys and feed them. The number of people who ask if the monkeys in Bali carry rabies and if there have been any attacks will surprise you. Thus, this post also contains information on the amazing SANGEH Monkey Forest, another popular tourist destination in the area. You will find the monkey antics on the island to be quite entertaining, especially if you love nature. Balinese long-tailed monkeys live in the forest as their natural habitat. Number 5. Take a trip from Nusa Penida from Bali. The best thing to do in Bali is to take a stunning and unforgettable trip to this island. Nusa Penida is home to some of the most incredible beaches in the world, including the incredible Kalingking Beach and the epic Broken Beach hike. The beauty of this island is mind-blowing. This is an early morning excursion, but it's worth it. October is the best month to go. Some of the views on this newly discovered island are unbelievable, something you wouldn't expect. The island of Nusa Penida will become very touristy in the not-so-distant future, so you should definitely visit it sooner than later. Secret Point Beach won't be appealing if there are dozens of tourists taking selfies with their phones on the beach. Number 4. Learn about Bali's jewelry-making history. The John Hardy Kapal Bamboo Boutique and Workshop at Mambal is a great place to find fine handcrafted jewelry and unique architecture. You can find elegant pieces made from bamboo and sustainable materials, hidden within a stud bamboo structure surrounded by Bali's lush greenery. This is where you'll find handcrafted, sustainable, and artisanal pieces, including the brand's ARCHIVAL Heritage Collection that highlights Bali's jewelry-making traditions. Besides a dazzling boutique, guests can also take part in jewelry masterclasses, as well as seeing how more than 700 artists create John Hardy signature pieces by carving, shaping, and handweaving. Before you take home your masterpiece that you'll treasure for a lifetime, you can even try chain weaving yourself. Number 3. Walk amongst a sea of marigolds. Nusa Temukus, a remote village in East Bali, is home to one of Bali's most colorful horizons, the marigold fields. This place doesn't have the usual palm trees and green rice paddies, but instead you'll see fog-covered mountains, huge orange marigolds, and row upon rows of white edelweiss blooms. Traditionally, marigold flowers are grown in abundance and used in Hindu offerings to the gods. Before harvest season, when the ceremonies take place, is the best time to visit. Nevertheless, Bali has a lot of Hindu religious ceremonies every year, so it is quite possible to see marigolds at any time of the year. The best way to see the marigolds is to start your trip by visiting the Besaki Temple or another temple in East Bali. Number 2. Soak up some rays at Bali's Nusa Dua Beach. It's hard to imagine anything better than a beach day with salty hair and a book you've been wanting to read for months. There are also some wild water sport adventures, glamorous sunset cocktails, world-class surfing, and world-class beach clubs on Bali's best beaches. One of these is Nusa Dua Beach. Near the Bali Tourism Development Center, the beach is located in Nusa Dua, a region on Bali's south coast. Why should you go? Among the many beaches on the island, Nusa Dua Beach is one of the least crowded and most remote. Aside from that, it's affordable. With its clear blue waters and pristine beach, this place is a great getaway from the hustle and bustle of civilization. Here, your chance to commune with nature and let go of all that stress you've been carrying around. Getting started on your vacation includes taking in the soothing atmosphere of the beach, as well as visiting one of the nearby relaxing restaurants. Number 1. Hanging from the Bali Swings. Experiencing thrills, adrenaline rush, unforgettable experiences, and taking unique photographs will be unforgettable. Imagine swinging and gliding over lush green forests, rice fields, river valleys, and the awesome view of cliff faces. A lot of adult adventure features can be found on the Bali Swings, including swings, climbing rocks, love nests, and much more. It is one of the top things to do in Bali, and there are hours of fun packed into this activity playground. There are swings that stretch between 10 meters, 15 meters, 20 meters, and 78 meters above the ground. Those seeking adventure and an adrenaline rush will find these swings to be exactly what they're looking for. Apart from the swings, Bali Swings offers several packages which include swinging over the jungle, VW romantic tour to the waterfall, lovely elephant park swinging, quad swinging, and rafting. It may be a little pricey, but the adrenaline you'll feel after would be worth it. It's a great opportunity for taking memorable photos while watching a vast jungle from the swings. On the Bali Swing, you'll take photos that will last a lifetime. As you soar over the jungle, rice fields, and rivers, you'll see more than you could ever imagine. Be sure to list down Bali in your bucket list and have an adventure you will never forget. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.